The 4-battery FMX Electric with a concrete mixer combines Volvo Trucks' electromechanical PTO with a straightforward and robust hydraulic solution. This is a reliable solution using a well-proven hydraulic technology. The energy consumption of the superstructure is estimated to 20 to 40 kilowatt hours per day, depending on factors such as distance, concrete type, load weight, and unloading type. And the solution is silent, which gives a good and safe working environment around the truck. In all, we have created an energy-efficient and reliable electric concrete mixer truck with smooth low-speed maneuvering and reduced noise.